All right, tax deed tip number 12. I can barely talk. It's the end of a long day, and we have just been grinding it out here in New Pekin, Indiana. Well, listen, I had some people reach out to me via social media and ask me what's so special about a tax deed. So before I give you another tip, let me go ahead and just let you know it is the cheapest way to acquire real estate. There's only 3 ways to get properties. We get them from people, we get them from banks, and we get them from municipalities. People will sell you a home fairly cheaply when they are desperate. In good economic times, they're not desperate. Right now in our country, money is flowing like seldom before. People actually are getting paid so much money to not work that it's very difficult to even get people to do the work on a rehabilitation project. For example, getting somebody in the trades to do work. I'm scheduling 2, 3, 4 months out to get them to come and do a work for me. So you've got issues like that. Getting a good deal from somebody a person wanting to sell the house is difficult. Now, banks, you can get a good deal from a bank from time to time when they are desperate. However, in great economic times, banks are not desperate. Lately, they've been posting all kinds of record profits. And the reality is they're taking the few foreclosures that they get. And there's so many want-to-be investors because the economy is strong. They're just putting them on the MLS. If they do have an auction, they know there's going to be 100 people out there bidding it up to retail. And remember, a bank gets to pick the opening bid based on what they think the market will bear. So you just don't see great deals coming from people and from banks in times like this. The only way to get a really good deal right now is pure dumb luck or tax deeds. Now, a tax deed is just a lien on a property for failure to pay property taxes, foreclosed on by the county, and then put up for sale by the county in an effort to simply get the property tax they need to run the city. So the municipality rather, when we buy a tax deed, we're being socially active, we're doing good, helping out a local community, and because all they want is the tax revenue, the opening bid is just the back taxes. That's why we get such good deals on tax deeds. You should expect to be able to get a tax deed when you know what you're doing, when you're shopping in the right areas, for between 10 cents and 50 cents on the dollar is the rule of thumb. 10 to 50 cents on the dollar for the after rehab value. All right. Hope that helped. We'll give you tax tip 13 tomorrow. See you.